So now I will show you how you can customize your buttons from inside your Python file, then later we will see how we can do it using the JSON file. We will begin by writing a for loop that goes through all our buttons inside the widget container. Then we will pass each button found to the load.json style function. This function checks if there is any style specified for this button in the JSON style sheet. If the style was found, the style sheet will be applied to the button, then return true. If no style was found for this button, the function will return false. Because our JSON file is empty, you can see no style has been applied to any button. This is our JSON file. You can see the button's object is empty. We will be modifying it later. Now to check if any JSON style was applied to any button, you have to check the wasThemed_button attribute. Since no JSON style was applied to any of our buttons, this value should be false for all buttons. If no theme or style was applied, then apply the style from the preset animation themes which I created. You only need to pass the button which you want to apply the theme and the theme number, which ranges from 1 to 13. In case you don't like any of these themes, you can pass in your custom colors through the Apply Custom Animation Theme style. So you have the flexibility of choosing what your buttons should actually look like. You will pass the button object plus the 2 colors you want to apply to this button. You can also create a new button, then apply the style to this button, but we will skip that part for now. You can also use setObjectTheme function to apply new theme to your button. As you can see, setObjectTheme style is only applied to the button when we hover.